This dictation is 80 words per minute. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ready? Now, from the point of view of labor, also, this measure is very important. I am giving all the arguments. The 11th five-year plan admits that in order to keep up production in the country, in order to develop our industries, it is of great importance to in, into, introduce the working class and the workers. It is the correct approach as far as words go. Nobody will quarrel with it. In fact, we would like more and more workers to be en- enthused full stop, with such measures should be brought in more and more in order to make the working class see that with the increase in productivity on their part, at least there is a improvement in their living conditions, that with the increased production of consumer goods in the country, they get more resources in their hands to buy the things that they require, to spend more money on their children, on their housing, on their health, on the education of their children, and all that. You have to create a situation like this. You have to create a feeling like this. You have to make a provision for this. Even from that angle, it is necessary that this should be accepted. Labor enthusiasm cannot be created until and unless you relate the increase in productivity to an increase in the living standards of our people. More production, more money in the pockets of the working class, more money in the pockets of the working class, more consumption of their daily necessities of life, and less privations and difficulties. Am I wrong in this? I would ask the honorable members to say. Therefore, on that score, it is essential. Then, even from the point of view of industrial expansion, it is essential. You will ask me how. I will tell you how. Now, it means that if this pro provident fund contribution is not taken from them, to that extent the money will be with the working class, and this money they would be able to spend in the market as consumers and buyers of commodities. What does it mean? What are the economic implications of such a thing? Such a thing means that the demands for consumer goods in the country will go up. There will be expansion in the internal market. It is very essential when we talk about the industrial expansion that we also ensure expansion in the market. Unless there is a growing demand in the country for the industrial goods, you cannot have the expansion of industries. Expansion of industries does not take place in a satisfactory way. Disregarding this factor of expanding consumption in the country, in order to ensure expanding consumption on the part of the working people, it is necessary for you to make more money available to them for consumption. Now, I will be up against the question, what about the savings of the community? You will ask, should not the workers contribute something towards the common savings for our country? I say, do not start with the workers. Full stop.